Attention all tech lovers. Welcome to USA Tech Deals, where you can explore expert tech reviews, detailed tutorials, and the best deals on phones, laptops, gadgets, accessories, and many more. You can also find top product deals and discount coupons here. The Apple iPhone 12 is here, and it's the deal of the season. This best-selling iPhone comes with a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, powered by iOS 16 for a smooth and seamless experience. Enjoy 64 GB of storage for all your apps, photos, and memories, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Fully unlocked and ready to work with any carrier of your choice. Whether it's AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or Metro, it's your call. With minimal cosmetic wear and 80% plus battery health, it's been tested to perform like brand new. Plus, it's Amazon renewed, so you know it's trusted. Happy customers have rated it 4.1 stars, calling it their best tech buy. What about you? Hurry! More than 4,000 people grabbed this deal last month. Stock is running out fast. Don't wait. Click the link below to get your hands on the Apple iPhone 12, fully unlocked at an unbeatable price. Your next iPhone is just one click away. Shop now and make it yours today. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who love great tech deals. And hey, don't miss out on future updates. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest tech deals, discounts, and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing offers.